I'm Danish Helén. I'm CEO and co-founder of the personal banking service Tink.
And I'm Tashi Sylten, Commercial Director and responsible for a new business offering.
So Tink essentially lets you manage all of your money in one place, no matter the number of banks you have. We let you transfer money, we let you pay your bills, just as you would have done with your regular bank. And now, we want to not only help you stay on top of your finances, but we also want to help you improve them. So we're now launching a service where you can sign up for the best financial products out there and cherry-pick them and sign up right inside Tink. Currently, we're live in Sweden with 400,000 users. We're a team of 30. We do everything in-house, from engineering to design and aggregation. We raised 10 million euros last year, and we are also regulated by the Swedish FSA. So let's have a look at it. So the first thing we do when the user signs up is that we aggregate data from the existing financial providers. The sign-up is completely free, takes about a minute. We aggregate it, we clean up, categorize transaction, like the classic PFM features, and we make it super simple, as you see here on the front page, to drill down and see how much you spend across different categories, like eating out, or go further and see how much did I spend in each restaurant, or go back in time to see how that compares. So going back to the start screen and then moving into the Tink feed instead, which is basically a chronological list of stories about everything that's going on in your financial lives. But it's also tips and advice on how to improve your finances. And everything here is clickable if you want to dig deep and understand. So this is a weekly summary, and I can go in and see how am I doing on my budget for taxis, for example. It looks pretty okay. And previous months I can swipe to. Well, not as good then, maybe, but still. But in the feed, as I said, we also try to give you advice on how to improve your finances. In this case, we've discovered that you have plenty of money on a 0% interest account. And we also discovered that there's better options out there for you. So let's have a look at them. Well, apparently we have 0.0% interest. There's another bank offering 70 basis points. And I can look at the different options that I have. And if I now want one of these products, I can sign up for it immediately. And let's do that. Take the best option. What we do now is that we do the entire KYC process for the bank inside Tink. And we now have to answer a bunch of, I guess not stupid questions, but questions. We're just trying to make it as smooth as possible. So this process takes typically 1 to 2 minutes. And when we're hopefully done, the account is created instantly in Tink. Okay, sending bank data to bank and see if it's approved. Well, yes. So we now created, you become customer in a new bank, you had a better savings account, it's instantly in Tink, of course. And we used to be a read-only service, but as of last year, we launched full payment capabilities. That means you can do any type of transfer that you previously did with your bank, payment for bills or sending money to friends, transfer money between your own accounts in one bank or between different banks. We initiate the payment, and it's executed by the bank. So let's kick this off by actually transferring some money. I just choose from and to account, the amount, and then we of course need to authenticate the transfer, and we do the same authentication method as the banks have chosen, of course. Okay, so this is a brand new service for us. We basically let the users cherry pick the best financial services. We're launching this in a few weeks' time in Sweden with 5 partnering national and international banks for savings accounts, for mortgages, We actually let you transfer your mortgage in 3 minutes to a new bank, and also for credit cards.
So this was a short introduction to our consumer product, which is used and loved by 400,000 users in Sweden. As of today, I'm also happy to announce that we do business partnerships where we help banks and financial institutions to offer exactly these kind of services to their own customers and under their own brands. Our flexible setup lets you deploy our solution either as a standalone application, like the Dutch bank ABN AMRO is doing, or fully integrated into your own banking app, like the Swedish bank SEB. Come talk to us after this session, and we'll be happy to tell you how we went live with our partners within 90 days. Thank you.
Thanks.